Hello, I'm Darshna Patel. I'm taking the lecture section of cryptography basis, and my video series is divided into three segments. First video segment, it contains the cryptographic basis, encryption and decryption terms. The second part of the video, it covers the types of cryptography, the symmetric key and asymmetric key cryptography. And third segment of video, it contains the example of symmetric key encryption technique, that is the Playfair encryption cipher. Now first segment, cryptography basics. First, what is cryptography? It is a science of using mathematics to encrypt and decrypt the data. Cryptography is a Greek word having the meaning of secret writing. How to write, how to send our data securely over the internet, or that how to maintain the security in the way of transmission, where more attackers are involved during the transmission. So the main role of security is there on the way of transmission, where the cryptography plays a major role. And the three main objectives of the cryptography is the confidentiality, integrity, and authentication. The basic terms of the cryptography is a plain text, ciphertext, encryption, decryption, and the key. First, plain text. It is the original form of the message without encrypted form. Or in the other way, plain text is the data that can be read and understood without any special measure. Ciphertext is the data that is transformed or converted by encryption algorithm, means it is the encrypted form of the message. Encryption, it is an algorithm for transforming the plain text to the ciphertext, and decryption, it is the algorithm for transforming the ciphertext back to the plain text. The encryption and decryption algorithm, they are the main techniques which plays a major role for converting the message in one form to the another when it is transmitted through, from sender to the receiver. And for the encryption and decryption, the one key is required, and that key is defined as a it is an identifier which is used for the encryption and decryption of the message. Now the reflection spot. Think and write. Solve the following example, following exercise. Now next section covers the types of cryptography. There are basically two types of cryptography techniques: symmetric key cryptography and asymmetric key cryptography. First, symmetric key cryptography technique or symmetric encryption technique. In symmetric encryption technique, both sender and receiver uses the single same key for encryption and for the decryption. The symmetric key cryptography is also known as a conventional key cryptography or say secret key cryptography or say private key cryptography. For example, DES, data encryption standard. Here the symmetric key encryption model is shown. As shown in the diagram, for encryption and decryption, the same key, the secret key is used. Here the same key is used for converting the plain text to the ciphertext using the encryption algorithm, and for the decryption, it converts the ciphertext back to the plain text using the same secret key which is used by the receiver to decrypt the message. So in symmetric key cryptography, both sender and receiver uses the same key for the encryption as well as for the decryption. So it is a simple technique. In asymmetric key encryption model, it is also known as a public key cryptography. It uses a two key pair, public key and private key. Public key is known to everyone, it is announced to everyone, whereas private key is only known to the receiver. For example, Reward, Samir and Adelson algorithm, RSA algo uses the asymmetric key encryption technique. Here is a block diagram of asymmetric key encryption technique, which uses the two key pairs, public key and private key. As shown in the figure, the plain text is converted to ciphertext using the encryption algorithm, and that encryption algorithm uses the public key, and that public key is known to the everyone, which is announced to everyone, whereas receiver uses a private key for doing the decryption of the message using the decryption algorithm. and that decryption algorithm converts ciphertext back to the plain text using the private key. Okay, private key is only kept by the receivers only, whereas public key is known to the everyone. So two key pair, public private key pair is used for the encryption as well as for the decryption in asymmetric key cryptography technique. Now think and write. Differentiate between symmetric key and public key cryptography techniques. Now next section, it covers an example of Playfair cipher, which is a symmetric key encryption technique. Means we are taking the example of a symmetric key encryption technique. First, in the Playfair cipher, first find the key matrix. For forming the key matrix, the rules are removing the double characters which occurs in the key, and then arrange the key in the 5 by 5 matrix. Then write down the remaining letters of the character set, and we are also remembering that the I, J should be on the same position. For example, here the key is a monarchy. Then after removing the duplicate characters, write down the key character first, and then write the remaining characters of the character set, and also remembering the thing that the I, J should be on the same position. Thus form the key matrix. After the key matrix formation, split the plaintext message in the pair of characters. For example, TEXT, then TE and XT, and so on. If a pair is a repeated letters, then the insert the filler like X. For example, hello, then HELLO. Here LL having the same repeated character, so I'll insert the extra character X as shown in the example. Now consider the three rules for converting the Playfair plaintext pair to the corresponding ciphertext Playfair pairs. First rule, if the both letters fall in the same row, then they replace each with the letters to the right. Okay. For example, A and R, both are in the same row, then A is replaced with the next coming letter R, and R is replaced with the next coming letter M, means wrapping back to the start. Okay. The second rule, if both letters fall in the same column, then replace each with the letters below it, wrapping to top from bottom. For example, M and U. Here M and U both are in the same column, then replace M with the C and U with the M. For example, FV, then replace F with the P and V with the O. So corresponding letters from of FV, corresponding ciphertext letter is PO. Third rules, if both characters are not in the same row and not in the same column, then for example, if the letters are S and H, here S and H both are not in the same row and not in the same column, then replace it with the corresponding letters P and B. For that, go into the line of the first character until the second character is reached, and that intersecting character is the character of the ciphertext. Same way for E and A, the corresponding ciphertext letter is I and M. Now take the practice example. If the key equals to keyword and the plain text it's a secret message, then encrypt the message using the Playfair cipher. And another example, if the key is summer, then write down the Playfair cipher matrix. Solve the exercise. After that, you can also listen the below video resources as an additional video resources, learning extension resources. For that, you have to follow the below link YouTube video, and that video is of the cryptographic basis. It covers the topics of encryption and decryption, what is encryption and what is decryption, and the basic terms regarding the cryptography. Thank you for listening.